your serious watch. So grab your neighbor. Says the Lord, that I will cut off the horse out of the midst of him, and I will destroy the chariot. Stand on your feet. I will go to pray. Oh, not my Father. Oh, not my Father. The open is that. Carry that mic. Step back, failure, horses, of poverty, step back, failure, and I slow my hand, and let them be destroyed. Craft out of thy hands, and thou shalt have no more. So sad. From my mother's place, from that hospital, let them give it to me. And I slap my hand, die by fire. Zechariah chapter 10 verse 1. No. Zechariah 10:1. I receive. Somebody shout, I receive. I receive. That the name of 2024. 2024. I shall receive abundance of rain. I shall receive abundance of rain. Right now. Right now. My heaven shall be open. My heaven shall be open. Lift your voice and shout, yes. Yes. Say never. Never. 2024. 2024. It is written. It is written. Heaven shall supply rain. Shall supply rain. To my farms. To my farms. To my business. To my business. To my connection. To my connection. For abundance. For abundance. Never. Never. I will laugh again. I will laugh again. Yes, somebody shout, I will laugh again. I will laugh again. You see that? Next thing, I will laugh again. Before you hear the sound of my voice, you will laugh again. Yeah. Somebody for heaven is louder, your family will be louder. I am ready tonight. I am ready tonight. Are you? Yes. He said, ask ye of the Lord. Pray. Meaning, if there is anything important, rain is number one. For harvest, you need rain. For profit, you need rain.
Yes, sir.
To set the capital, rain must be involved. To move from where you are to where you should be, you need rain. Because without rain, you can't travel. You can't transport yourself anywhere. Am I communicating here?
Yes, sir.
I pray for that of you.
I will see.
Who is heaven or heaven will be louder. Let your hand control the water. Give me verse 6. But if you want to read, start from verse 1 to 6. It's a prophetic revelation from God to David. But give me verse 6. Everybody read, want to go?
And one shall say unto me,
What are these wonders in thy hand? Somebody wonders is about to blow your hand. If you can dance around and say, oh, heaven is about to blow your hand. People is about to jealous you. Because of the type of the husband you marry. People is about to envy you. Because of the new connection you have. This wonder. The young man called me and said, sir, I've been in ministry for 15 years, sir, but nothing is moving. I've traveled from Awada to Oba, from Obana to Ngbo, from Ngbo now, sir. The Lord is directing me to Abuja, but I don't know anybody. Ngbo, what take you away from Oba will take you away from Abuja, because the Lord is not leading you. What is leading you is leading. And when you hear about our neighbor, and everything is Abuja, everything Abuja back I can on the final. Pastor, please. I watch you online, sir. I watch you. Then, why are you looking for the borehole of Jacob to drink from? When the soul roller, oh,